Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add bots on your Dola AI account. So first of all, launch Dola AI application on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then at the bottom, you'll see the category of bots. Tap on it. Now, from here, you can see various bots you could add. You could also tap on the search button in order to search for specific bots. You can see various categories on top as well. So for now, I'm going to tap on Instagram captions. So let's tap on this plus button. With that, a chat conversation will be opened. You can message or hold on this microphone button in order to speak. So this is how simply you could add bots on your Dola AI account. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.